Hey everyone, welcome to one of our Bob's Watches tutorial videos. Today we're going over how to set your Rolex Oyster Perpetual. The Oyster Perpetual is the brand's entry-level collection, and it serves as the foundation for virtually all modern Rolex watches. Combining Rolex's two key innovations, the waterproof Oyster case and the self-winding perpetual movement, the Oyster Perpetual is one of the brand's oldest collections with a history that dates all the way back to the 1930s. Characterized by a clean and timeless design consisting of 3 hands to display the hours, minutes, and seconds, the Oyster Perpetual is available in a wide range of case sizes and with a vast assortment of different dial colors. To set your Oyster Perpetual, simply unscrew the winding crown and pull it out until you feel a faint click. Then rotate the crown in either direction until the correct time is displayed by the hands. Once the time has been set, push in the winding crown and screw it back down to the case to ensure that your watch stays protected against moisture and dirt. As simple and straightforward as a watch can be, the Oyster Perpetual is truly a timeless classic, and just like every Rolex watch, it's built to last a lifetime. For more information on the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, be sure to check out our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on our latest video content.